Okay, so it's 22 degrees outside. I just came out from the church after our board meeting and some of fellowship with some of our men. And I'm on my way home by myself. And I heard there will be a snowstorm tomorrow, the whole day Sunday, December 11. The driving is very treacherous and slippery. I'm negotiating 20 miles per hour here, so I just need a lot of prayers, and I wanted to just grab some food before I go. Little so good. He's good all the time. The snowstorm is up till tomorrow, the whole day tomorrow, and it's just beginning. We'll see what happens here. Just try to get the most out of this lonely experience, and not lonely, slippery.